Hey everyone, tired of grainy, bland hummus? Today I'm showing you the one simple trick for the smoothest, creamiest hummus you've ever tasted, right in your own kitchen. Let's go. First, grab a 15-ounce can of chickpeas. This is our star ingredient. Open the can, pour the chickpeas into a strainer, and make sure to save all that liquid gold. It's called aquafaba, and it makes hummus extra creamy. Next, rinse the chickpeas thoroughly under cold water to wash away any excess salt or starch. Now, here's the secret tip. Add ice cubes and cold water to the chickpeas and let them chill for 2 minutes. This ice bath helps loosen those stubborn skins. Gently rub the chickpeas between your hands while they are in the ice water. You'll see the skins start to float to the top. Skim off and discard the skins, then drain the chickpeas. Removing the skins is the real secret to ultra-smooth, creamy hummus. Step 1. Add your peeled chickpeas to the food processor. Next, pour in 1/3 cup of fresh lemon juice. Add a 1/4 cup of well-stirred tahini. Drop in 1 small garlic clove. Sprinkle in 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. And finally, a big pinch of salt. Pulse everything for about a minute until it's well combined and looks pasty. Step 1. Turn on your food processor with the chickpeas and flavor base inside. Let it run for a few seconds to get things moving. Step 2. With the processor running, slowly stream in your reserved aquafaba. This helps everything blend smoothly. Step 3. Next, slowly pour in a 1/4 cup of ice-cold water. This is the second part of the secret for ultra-creamy hummus. Step 4. Let it blend for a full 2 to 3 minutes. This is where the magic happens. Watch as it transforms into a silky, creamy texture. Step 5. Pause and scrape down the sides of the bowl once, then blend again until everything is perfectly smooth. When you're done, your hummus should look incredibly smooth and creamy, just like this. Time to plate. Scoop out that silky smooth hummus and get ready for the magic. Spread it onto a plate in a beautiful swirl pattern. This is what makes it look so inviting. Drizzle with good olive oil for that gorgeous shine and extra flavor. Sprinkle on paprika, a few whole chickpeas, and fresh parsley. This takes it to the next level. And here it is, the ultimate hummus. Serve with warm pita and crisp veggies. Just look at that creamy, dreamy texture. And that's it, the easiest, creamiest hummus that will blow your mind. The secret is the ice bath and blending time. Trust me, it's worth it. If you loved this recipe, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button, subscribe for more 3-minute recipes, and share this with a friend who needs better hummus in their life.